Here's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive. Call us today at 754-220-1690.